If you're searching for Genius ERP reviews, you're probably past the brochure stage and getting ready to make a decision. Does Genius ERP actually help manufacturers run better? What are its differentiators? And what do real users say after going live? I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. We're an independent analyst firm that helps companies pick software with confidence. This episode is sponsored by Genius, but as always, we'll keep it fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. Across review platforms, Genius ERP earns consistently positive marks from small to mid-sized manufacturers, including job shops, specialty fabricators, equipment builders, and more. Software Advice summarizes 4.2 out of 5 across 160 plus reviews, with users calling out usability and reporting depth as some of Genius ERP's greatest strengths. G2 reviewers frequently highlight ease of adoption, company-wide centralization, including everyone from warehouse to accounting in one system, and responsive support and training through Genius Academy. On MS Marketplace, recent posts mention straightforward learning, helpful updates, and automation via task automation as extremely valuable. Several reviewers also praise quality workflows for improving consistency. Taken together, the sentiment of Genius ERP reviews is consistent. It's purpose-built for custom/ETO workflows, its UI is approachable, and it provides strong job and quality control. Here are 3 areas where Genius ERP users say it's most beneficial. Number 1, engineering to production handoff. A recurring review theme is smooth handoff from CAD to BOM/routings. Genius's CAD to BOM is central here. Engineers can import designs, generate production data, and reduce manual reentry risk. That bridge is repeatedly emphasized in Genius reviews and materials and echoed in user stories. Number 2, quoting, estimating, and project control. Custom shops call out the ability to estimate complex jobs, track actuals, and manage long cycle projects with milestone visibility. Exactly the ETO, MTO profile that Genius targets. Software Advice's feature breakdown and user commentary reflect that fit as well. Number 3, shop floor and quality discipline. Multiple reviewers cite quality, for example Kappa, scheduling, and production tracking as everyday value. Quotes like kept us on top of issues, single data set across teams, and better visibility are made many times. Here are a few highlights from Genius ERP's case studies and customer stories. Heinzbach, industrial equipment, ETO. After 2 unsuccessful ERP attempts, Heinzbach moved to Genius to gain control over a complex ETO environment, calling out accounting plus CAD to BOM plus project management as the combo that finally stuck. Mashitech, CNC plasma cutting systems. Rapid growth turned Mashitech from a 40-person shop into a 250-employee manufacturer, producing over 300 machines a year across 7 facilities. Leadership specifically credits Genius's CAD to BOM, inventory, and purchasing tools for creating a clean flow of information from engineering to the shop floor, and giving them better visibility into costs and pricing. Public content from Genius also highlights customers like PV Labs and others crediting the platform with confidence in day-to-day operations, from visibility to scheduling to data alignment. These narratives mirror external review themes and one system clarity. Across G2, Capterra, and Software Advice, the pattern is clear. Genius ERP earns strong marks from custom manufacturers for CAD to shop integration, quoting and estimating accuracy, and day-to-day control, all backed by training resources and responsive expert support. We've linked the sources and case studies below so you can validate every point and go deeper. If you want a structured side-by-side comparison with other manufacturing ERPs, SelectHub is here to help. Explore our side-by-side comparisons of ERPs or sign up for demos through the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!